For the longest time, the spiritual part of my life was Christianity. Science comes along and questions religion with evolution. In school, I memorized the theory, never really analyzing the possibility of evolution. Post-education reading and listening closely, evolution started to make sense, eventually took over religion for a few years. After that, I found Kent Hovind, who presented evidence of creation, citing sources and overall rounded presentations over many seminars. This led to me turning back to Christianity, at this point both the New and Old Testament ringing true, after tossing the whole evolution theory out forever. Allegedly, Dave popped up in my research, so did several others including Eric Dubay. Flat Earth was presented and the arguments for it had no logical responses. For example, a vacuum of space cannot exist next to an atmosphere without a physical barrier. Although that alone should be enough, another argument was that we see too far. By that I mean, if the distance is long enough, objects on a round globe should eventually be behind a physical curve. They also present evidence from the Bible that clearly describes a flat stationary Earth. At this point I am 100% that Earth was created, and now it is up to us to figure out who is the creator and what does he want. Example that the Earth is not moving at all would be Psalm 93 verse 1, Psalm 96 verse 10, and many more. If you close your eyes and listen to Genesis chapter 1, you can visualize a stationary Earth. I'll cite one more verse, Isaiah 40 verse 22, which describes the Earth as a circle. At this point in the quest for truth, I found Rabbi Michael Skobac and eventually Rabbi Tovia Singer. When I read the Bible, I did not pick up on things so blatantly obvious like Exodus 20 verse 23. You shall have no other gods before me. This happens in many places, including the first commandment. This now puts Jesus in question. Now I believe the rabbit hole has reached its natural conclusion. The Old Testament or Book of Remembrance is my authority, and given the journey that I went through to find it, I am on unshakable foundation, just like the flat Earth.